Hello everyone, welcome back. If you are new in channel, so welcome to my channel. So let's create a hamburger menu with the help of CSS and JavaScript. And yeah, let's create it. I'm excited with this. Yeah, let's have a div. Okay, and in that div we will giving a class name as hamburger. Okay, so we'll go with the hamburger, and in that we will having a span here. So like how many span we need, we need like a 3 span, so I will go with the 3 span here. So first span will be a top button, we can say, like a top button. Then second will be a like a suffering, we can say, like a it will be like a motionable, we can say, how it motion. And the third one will be a bottom, we can say, like a bottom button, we can say. Okay, so this is what the HTML is. Okay, so let's go with the center, let's go with the display grid here. Then we need that item should be on a center. Okay, a hamburger should be seen in the center, so we will add that place item here. And if we have that, we will have the height also, and we will give the background color. This is more important. We will need a background color for that. We'll give some black and gray mixtures of that. Yep, this is what we need. If you want to remove this like a scroll bar, you can remove as an overflow hidden. Okay, so it will be height hidden. Yep, this is nice. Yep, you can see this. We do not want the margin. Okay, so we will just remove the margin also, so it will be cut edge to edge, you can say. So let's start with the first class. So let's go with the first class called as hamburger. So we just create the hamburger, and we need that as an body pixel. Okay, and that cursor should be on the pointer. Okay, and the second one, we having the hamburger, but we will having the multiple span, right? And the span should be like 100 pixel, 100 percentage, and the height will be a 3 pixel. Okay, and we will go with the display block, and the background color for all the span will be a white. It will be a white. And transitions, okay, we will have the transitions. For all the transitions we will be putting with 0.2 seconds, and the border radius will be a 20 pixels for all, so it will be like a 20 pixel for all the radius. Okay, so you can see we having a 3 bar here, like how the menu is looking like a bar, so it is like that. And we will go with the suffering, we can say. So let's add with the suffering like a margin 10 and 0, like a height will be a 10, and the width will be a 0. It's like a right and left, and 10 pixel will be a top and bottom. Okay, so let's go with the first span item called as top button. And if we click on the top button, we can say, if we go with the top button click, so if I'm clicking on the top button, for example, if I'm just on active, we can say I'm adding the active class here. So we will know like what class we are adding here. So we'll add as active class. If my class is having an active, so this should be 45 degree, as a minus 45 degree we can say. It should be moving as minus 45, like this one, like this we can say. Yeah, the first one we can say. And the x-axis we can say, like a x-axis for that, it should be little bit further, like we can say. So we will go with the minus 95, and the width will be the same, like a 50% here. So we will go with the 50%. And the same scenario, we will go with a suffering class. We will have the class called as active. We'll give that active class. If we are having the active class for all the span, so it will look, I just add the active class here so you will understand what I'm saying. So let's add the active class for all this one, so you will understand what I'm saying. Like this, watch. Yeah, this is what. And if we have a suffering active as an 18%, and the transform for that, we will go with the translate x, and it should be minus 3 pixel. Okay, so it should be like a touching that one, like this portion we can say. And the similar way, we will go with the bottom. We'll go with the bottom active, and that should be opposite of this, like a top one. So it should be a plus 45, and everything will be a this one. Yeah, this is like a back arrow we can say. So on active, if we leave the class on this, so on this, the class will look, it will add this class, and we will give this active class for all scenarios. Okay, so let's remove this also, like this. Yeah, you can see like this. Yeah, the back button we can say. Let's go with the CSS, the JS part. So we are doing the JS part also. So hamburger, okay, hamburger, then document, we'll go with this query selector. Okay, so the query selector, the class name of hamburger we can say, though, hamburger. Okay, so we added that hamburger for that, and we'll copy this one, and we will go with all the layers we can say, like how many layers we have inside, like a span tag, right? So we will go with that all. So we'll just add a query selector all. Okay, and in that we will add span here. That's it. We'll do for that. And on clicking, when we click on this, so we will have the event listener here. We will use the event listener here in the JavaScript. So we are using the event listener here. So in that event listener, we'll put a click here. Okay, and we will give the function if you are okay with the ES6. So we will go with the ES6. Okay, so we will going with the ES6 functions, and for that layer, like how many layers we have, like 3 layers, right? So for that layer, it will be, we will give all layer in the like an active class, right? So we will go with the for each. So we having a multiple of that, that's why we are using the for each. And in that we will having the layer, and in that the layer we will add the class list here, and it will be a toggle here because there are the multiple of span. That's why we are adding the class list here. multiple span, and in that we'll having a toggle cal as active. Okay, so this is what we have JS layout. Okay, so if I'm just clicking on this, so let's see how it happens. So this is what, yeah, this is what we need. Like on click, it will move as a back arrow. So this is nice, right? This is like a back arrow menu button, so we call as menu burger menu, the burger menu, we can say, with the help of JavaScript and CSS. So wow, we had created something nice. So if you want to increase this value, so you can give the big value for that. So how it look like, we'll go with the 15 here. We need more, so we'll go with the 15. Okay, this is nice. So if I'm going with this one, so this the portion of the suffering should be more inside, we can say, like -7. Okay, we will go with the more depth, we can say, like how many depth. We'll go with the -1 here, or 4, we can say, like 4 will be a better, we can say, yeah, that will be a better. And 9.5 we added, right? So we will give as an 10.5. So we will give as a 10.5 here also. We will give more, we can say, like we need like a, yeah, this is what, yeah, this is nice. It's like concat with ℎ𝕠𝕚, we can say. So yeah, this will look nice, the big one. You can increase the width also if you want, like we can go with 4. So let's see how it look like if we are going with 4. Yeah, it will look good, but you need to change this value also. So if you are going with the 4, so we'll having 13 -13 here. Okay, and we will moving that as an not a 8, not a 7. So let's move one more, 6, then 5. 5 will be a better, I think. The 5 will be the 6 will be a better, I think. So yeah, it is more like yep, we'll go with the 14, I think. The 14 -14 will be a nice. Yeah, this is nice. This is nice. So this is what we had created in this video. So make sure, thank you for watching, and make sure you subscribe my channel if you are new, and if you have any doubts, so you can ask me, and yep, just follow me in all the social media. So I will post in all the social media this code and this CodePen link also. So I will just add this CodePen link in the descriptions. Okay, all the social media descriptions, so you can find this and this, you can get this code also. So yeah, let's meet in the next video.